Hey guys, it's RD Techie, and today we have another unboxing video. This time it's of the Redragon Orpheus GS550 Stereo Speakers. So I'll see you guys on the other side of the intro. So, first of all, apologies for the massive amount of construction noise going on. It's completely out of my hand. Neighbors are going nuts again. And I ordered this during the Amazon Great Indian Sale, and it was quick to deliver. I'm just going to cut right into it. I don't think we need to waste too much time. I'll try and edit out as much of the noise as possible in post, but I do want to apologize in case I'm not able to completely get it out. So I guess this has a cut like that. So I'm just going to cut right into that. And Alright. So so the Amazon box is done. I'm going to leave the knife, not the mouse, there. So this is the stereo speakers. It's the Orpheus Soundbar / speakers. So what you can do is you can stack them up, and you can kind of have like a soundbar kind of setup like that. That's what I'm going to be doing. So I'm kind of excited to see how that works. It's got a volume control. I'm going to quickly read through. It's a 2-in-1 speaker, soundbar design, 2.0 stereo speakers. We knew that. Outstanding bass quality. That's going to be interesting. And maximum power is 3 watts times 2. So each needing 3 watts. And it's got a convenient 3.5 mm audio interface for headset and mic. So it's got a headset and mic interface as well if you want to do that. You can also plug in your earphones in there. So that's going to be interesting. I love Redragon. I'm kind of biased here because my mouse is a Redragon. My mechanical keyboard is a Redragon. I do hope I'll be able to get my hands on a Redragon pair of headphones because I do love their product. Their build quality is always amazing. The price is very competitive all the time. So I'm kind of a Redragon fanboy just because of my experience with them. This is not sent by them. I bought this with my own cash. Okay, so this is not like a sponsored video. I just love their product. Okay, so that's it. So I'm gonna take the. Oops, something fell. That's fine. What fell? Nothing important, probably. Okay, so that's the box. I'm going to get rid of the box. Okay, so right here, I hate not having a table, but I'm just making do. We'll figure it out. You get the cable, which is the 3.5 mm cables, and you also have the USB. I believe the USB is for the powering. It doesn't convey audio signals through USB. The stereo system is what it gets. So this is just like a fancy safety cover thing. I'm gonna just rip into this. Really hate not having a table, but we're fixing it. It is in the works, is all I'll tell you. So it's made obviously out of plastic, and that means it's quite light. It doesn't feel too heavy in the hand. I used to remember computer speakers that were quite heavy. You know, when you held them up, it would feel like, oh my god, these are heavy, like you had to look. These are not heavy. These are very light. I'll look up the weight and put it up somewhere here, usually. And it's got like a slotting mechanism in the top, so you basically just go, well, that's what you do, but that didn't work. Yeah, there you go. You just slide it into the slot and boom, soundbar. I love that. I love that system. I love the dial. It's got a nice color. Holy God, the construction is loud. I'm very sorry about that. But I do like the input jacks. The logo, we'll find out if it lights up. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to hook this up to my PC. What I'm going to be using this for is my laptop. You guys, it's kind of out of the way here, but that's what I'm going to hook it up to because I want to hear all my alerts come through that. So this is going to be interesting. So let's do the honors and peel. Very nice. Oh yes, that was a nice peel. I like that. Let's check out the other peel. Let's do the other side. Oh, that even had the sound effect. Oh, lovely. Okay, so it's got the Redragon logo. I don't think it's lit. It just seems like a sticker. And you have the speakers. It's got lights around it. I believe it's just red. And you have the 3.5mm headphone jack as well as the 3.5mm mic jack. This is going to be useful because I have a 1.4 to 1x4 to 3.5 converter cable, which I use for my guitar to learn guitar. So I can plug that directly in and boost it through the guitar. So that's pretty sweet. So it comes up with the, the cable tie stuff. It's everywhere. I do love keeping these because I think you can always reuse them, so I always keep them around. But you can't buy a piece of tech or electronics, any electronic, without getting these. So it's tied up all over. The USB, I am pretty sure, is only going to be for the powering. I think the audio input entirely is going to be through the dual 3.5mm cables for the stereo effect. So you might need a sound card that has two, which I think most onboard motherboard ones do. So I don't think you'll need a specific sound card, but you will need two slots. So I'm going to be plugging those in, and that's about it. So this is the cable that one goes to the other. Since we've got it in soundbar mode, it's just like a cable. So this cable goes all the way to the next speaker. And since we have it like that, it just hangs in. And these are the two cables, one with the double 3.5mm outs and one with the USB being for the power. So I'm going to put this down here. Oh, that's upside down. Like so. I was hoping it'd be a little bigger when I saw it, because I kind of wanted it to take the whole, the surface area right there, but that's okay. It's not too big a problem right now. So I'm going to hook this up, and we will play something and get it started. So don't go anywhere. So just a quick clarification, I plugged it in. It's not a double 3.5, both for audio. One is for output, one is for input. You have a little logo on to tell you which one is for the headset port and which one is for the mic port. I believe it's so it can carry through the mic signal from here onto your PC or your recording software, wherever it may be. So that's pretty cool. You do just need one 3.5mm audio output jack, so you can use this with laptops, as I am right now. So I just wanted to correct it right there. Now we're going to turn this baby on. So you turn the dial and it pops up. It's got a light. The speakers also light up, so I'm going to hold it up here so you guys can see it. So you get both speakers. I believe it's only red, and you have the volume jack. The volume jack does not seem to control the digital volume, so you want to leave that at 100 and just play around with the jack if you want to feel like that. The jack itself is, the dial rather, not the jack. The dial itself is quite nice. It's got a nice grip to it. It doesn't feel cheap. It's not metal, but it's got that brushed plastic. Mine came with a couple of scratches, but I'm not gonna obsess over it. But yeah, so let's test out the output. So I'm gonna leave this at the minimum. That's the minimum. I'm gonna put the laptop volume up to 100. And we're gonna play something. Right, so I'm just gonna play something from Alibi. Shout out to Alibi for sponsoring me with the music. So that's playing from Alibi. Yep, it's playing. It's on the lowest setting. My dog is going crazy. I think it's the noisiest video ever. But let's find out. So I'm gonna... That's loud. So you can hear a little bit of a tinny vibration thing, like it's got a little bit of a, I don't know how to say that it has that like a crackled sound when you go higher. So let me just get a different song and see if that's... Oh, that was the song. Never mind. The bass is actually quite nice for a front-facing speaker. It's not gonna pop, like it's not gonna fill the whole room up with like a, you know, thump, but for what it's got, it's pretty good. And the price is quite cheap, and it's on sale on Amazon right now. The link in the description. But I think that's it for the review. I mean, not the review, the unboxing. Maybe I'll do a review eventually after using this for an extensive period of time. I honestly wanted just a piece of eye candy, to be honest. And I kind of wanted to be able to, you know, adjust the dial. That's pretty cool. And I also wanted to hear my alerts when I'm streaming, because if my laptop plays the alerts and I've got my headset on, I don't necessarily always hear it very clearly. So with this, I'm definitely gonna be able to hear it. And as always, you can, you know, I don't know how to pull it up though. I mean, you could, you know, keep it separate, but I just dig the soundbar look a lot more. But that's it. That's the review for, not the review. That's the unboxing. Why do I keep saying review? Unboxing for the Redragon Orpheus GS550 Stereo Speakers. I'm going to turn these down and switch them off. Let me know what you thought. The links, as always, are in the description. Thank you so much for watching. This is RD Techie, and for all the support you guys have been giving me on YouTube. And if you haven't subbed, a sub would be amazing. Click that button. That's it for me. That's it for this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. This is RD Techie saying goodbye.